it's me, FamousBuilder here, back with another Minecraft video. So you're gonna need a 5x8 grid to build this car. So first of all, you're gonna want to put your wool where I am putting them now. So if you have created a grid, you should know where to put them. And you want to place the stairs with a smooth quartz plank. A smooth quartz slab in between, sorry, my bad. And you do the same on both sides, because it's got to be symmetrical. You can't have a awkwardly shaped car. This is the front, so we're going to put the little buffer there. You want to do stairs upside down with a slab in the center. Then you're going to want to put a slab in the middle. If I can just place it here. There we go. You build it up, and then you can, from there, you can place your iron trapdoor on from the side, which is super cool. And you do the same on the other side as well. So it's kind of like a bit to cover over the wheel. Then you go get your wood trapdoor of any sort, put it on the front. Now if you go around to the back or to the front, you want to fill in the bottom so you have a floor in the car. You get your black stain paint into your hotbar. You place your paints in a U shape. Put stairs on behind the pane glass so it connects. Then slabs behind the stairs. And at this point I realized I forgot to put the buttons on the wheels. That's normally a finishing touch, but we're going to put it in now. It's got to look good, you know. Then you're going to put the roof on top of the pane glass. So that's me just getting string so that I can place it over the center. So then you want to put your colored carpet in the middle. It can be any color. You can customize the car as much as you like. I'm just building one specific type so that you guys can build it. And so that there's actual instructions on how to do it. You place your white on either side and then your black in the middle for your carpets. Then we're going to go around the back. You're going to fill in the slab at wheel level. You're then going to place stairs. Then you're going to get your slab and just going to fix the slab there because I think I placed stairs. You then want to place your string on the back of behind the wheels, just above, and then you place a carpet on it, and it gives you this nice kind of tail wing, and it actually looks nice. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill in the gap that we have just created with a wool block, and you put that just on front of the stairs, and you can add wool on behind it if you want. That's up to you. And that's the finished product, I believe. Yep, that's the finished product. So guys, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe. It helps out the channel. Leave a like. That also helps out the channel. If you want me to do more tutorials on Minecraft or even some other games, I will be happy to do so. Just smash the like button and subscribe, and that will let me know that you're willing to see this kind of content. Anyway guys, have fun, stay safe, stay FamousBuilder plays. Peace out.